In this next video, I'm going to show you how to make a carnation. So I've filled my bag with some pink food colouring just down one stripe. That's actually in the place where the thinnest part of your piping nozzle is going to be. Then I've filled the rest of the bag with pale pink icing, as you can see. Okay, I'm just going to adjust it slightly so I've got a good grip on it. And then I'm going to take my cupcake. Now, the first bit, you just do a nice little twirl, almost like a little S in the middle. And then you do some nice wiggles going all the way around. You notice I'm turning it away from myself. I'm letting the piping nozzle do all the wrinkling. The harder you squeeze, the more ruffles it will do. Just going to turn around here, and do some more here, and again here, and here. You'll notice I'm not actually ruffling anything myself. It's all happening on its own. As you can see, it's a really pretty effect. I just want to finish off all those edges. There we go. And there's one of our lovely little carnations. As you can see from these two different carnations that I've piped, you can adjust how many ruffles you get and how many layers that you can do by how much you tilt your piping nozzle. So if you want less ruffles, like this one here, which I think is really pretty, you can tilt your nozzle outwards at a 45-degree angle, so that your tip is facing outwards rather than inwards. And this one here looks more like a little bud type carnation that's hardly opened, and we've actually done this with the nozzle vertical. Okay, so it gives you two different effects there. They look very, very similar, but they're just slightly different angles of piping nozzle.